here we are learning about playing with kittens today. It's very important that you don't just grab a kitten to play with it or to pet it, or cat in general, because that's going to make them not want to like you. But we found out that one thing our kitty likes, Boo Boo, is to play with a spinner. And the best thing to do is offer up a toy nearby so she'll come near to you to interact and find out that this is a fun place to be. And then when she comes near, you have the opportunity to be real gentle and kind to her, or him, ours is a girl, so that she'll want to come back and play more and to be pet more. Isn't that right, Boo Boo? Good job, Boo Boo. Good job. Uh-oh, where did it go? Good girl, Boo Boo. Good girl.